Good morning, remote learners. This is Dr. Shivers. I'm here for your announcements. Today is Friday, September the 18th. You should have an art recording loaded on your Canvas course card for art. We hope that you are doing some great artistic work and following up with any other of your specials that you want to do during your personalized learning time. This was Celebrate Freedom Week and Constitution Day yesterday, so these were some red, white, and blue friends from Mrs. Boozer's third grade. Great job going all out and learning. Kindergarten also has had colors this week. I hope you have a great blue day, my friends in kindergarten. We've loved seeing all the work that you're doing in classrooms this week. You're starting in on your Wonders stories. You're talking about characters and setting and events from those stories. Upper grades are learning about notice and notes, some reading strategies to do really good with close reading. Remember, we read with a pencil. We think deeply about those things, and then we write about those to connect it out. So we love seeing your work around literacy. For math, we've seen some wonderful work. For K-5, you've been jumping into your first lessons on Ready. We see you counting on, working on some wonderful story problems, and even reading some books that are connected to math. You've been working on rounding and finding groups of 10, and then doubling and doubling plus 1. So great work. I want to focus on following up with our second step curriculum. Two of the things I want to cover on this slide are the skills for learning and empathy. We have to practice skills for learning so that we're successful in school. Even in a remote setting where you're learning on Zoom and on Canvas, we want you to practice these skills. And empathy has never been more important. We want you to be empathetic to all of those around you so that we can understand the feelings that other people are having, recognize our own, and find ways to connect. Then, the last two areas that you'll learn about this year with Second Step are emotion management and problem solving. We want you to be able to name the emotions you're feeling, be able to process through those, and find proactive strategies to de-escalate and to calm down. Then with problem solving, we hope that you're really creative on being able to get through impulsive or aggressive behaviors and find really positive solutions. So we've covered each of those this week, and we hope that this summary is helpful to put those 4 skill sets in order. We want you to have really good skills for learning that we'll cover this year: empathy, emotion management, and problem solving. So I want to leave you with 2 quotes from one of my favorite authors. His name is John Maxwell. He says that the truth of your character is expressed through the choice of your actions. And then another quote that I really like is that talent is a gift, but character is a choice. Today, we also get to celebrate our first character awards. There are 3 classrooms that you might watch on YouTube on this afternoon for your afternoon meeting. We'll get through everyone soon. This is just our first round, so we hope that you enjoy that. We also have a story time with the mayor of Manhattan, Usha Reddy, so we hope that you will also enjoy that Constitution Day focused story. Hope you have a great weekend, friends. Keep up your great work, stay strong, and keep learning.